Top 5 sperm killers. That is what I am going to share with you people in today's video. But before I proceed, my name is Kenneth Os. I make videos on men's secrets and natural ways to keep men. So if you are new on this channel, you want to know more about men and natural ways to keep men, consider to subscribe and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I upload video concerning men and natural ways to keep men. Today's video is very powerful. Today's video is going to be entertaining, which I have one package for you people. So make sure that you watch this video from the beginning to the very end. So what are the top 5 sperm killers you need to avoid? As a man, if you want to have a healthy semen or a healthy sperm, if you want to perform well as a man, avoid these top 5 sperm killers, which I am going to share with you people. Number 1 is processed food. Any food being processed, you need to avoid it to have a healthy semen. Why do you need to avoid a processed food? A processed food are food that contains chemical, because after the manufacturing or the manufacturer finish manufacturing the food, they will preserve that food with chemical. And any food that contains chemical can also harm your immune system. And once your immune system is being harmed or being disrupted, it can affect your sperm cell. And once your sperm cell is affected, you can never have a good semen. And if you have a good semen, it can never be quality as you expect. So processed food affects your sperm cell, and with this, it will kill your sperm if care is not taken. So avoid processed food. Number 2 is cell phone. If you want to have a healthy semen, avoid putting cell phone near to your waist, because the more you do this, the more the ultraviolet ray and the infrared from your phone is affecting your sperm cell. And once this happens, it can make you not to have a healthy sperm. So avoid cell phone. Now, before I proceed on number 3, sperm killer, I want to give you one special product, which is TIEGE HANLEY. It's a very nice product for men, and uncomplicated skincare for men, and uncomplicated skincare for men. If you want your skin to be the best, if you want your aroma, your odor to be the best, if you want to look attractive, you want to be the best man you want, if you care for it, you can go to the description box or to my video description below and click on the affiliate link. Remember that once you click on the link, I am going to get a commission. So for you to support me, buy these products through my affiliate link. If you never buy my products, or if you never buy this product through my affiliate link, you can also support me by buying my super thanks. Under this video, you can see the $sign. Click on it and buy my super thanks to support me. If you can't do this, you can also join my membership by buying any amount you can to join my membership. Out of these 3, if you really want to appreciate my efforts, if you really want to support this channel as I endeavor to make good videos for men and for natural ways to keep men, do the same by buying these products through my affiliate link, or you can buy my super thanks. If you did not buy my super thanks, you can also join my membership. Out of these 3, you watching this video, if you want to appreciate my efforts, if you like this channel and you want to support me, out of these 3, take 1 to support me. So that is it. Number 3 is alcohol. I keep saying about alcohol in most of my videos. Alcohol is not good for men. Alcohol blocks your blood vessels, and once this happens, it can affect your immune system and also affect your sperm cell. And once this happens once again, it can make you to have a weak and bad sperm, and with this you can never have a quality sperm. So avoid intake of alcohol to be the best man you want to be. Number 4 is sugar food and drinks. Any food that contains a lot of sugar or any drink that contains a lot of sugar, you need to avoid them in order to keep your sperm healthy. Sugar food and sugar drinks affects your sperm cell, and with this it will kill your sperm cell or it will kill your sperm. So sugar food and sugar drinks contains a lot of sugar, which increases the opportunity of getting fat. The more you consume sugar food or sugar drinks, the more you get too much fat or too much obesity, because too much sugar leads to fat and too much fat leads to obesity. And with this, it can make you not to perform well as a man. It can make you to be weak and also disrupt your immune system. And once this happens, it can kill your sperm cell as a man. And with this, you can never be able to undergo fertility as a man. So avoid sugar food and sugar drinks to be the best man you want to be. Number 5 and the last, which you need to avoid, is canned food or canned goods. What do I mean by canned goods or canned food? Canned food are food that are preserved with chemicals inside a can. Any food that is being stored in a can must be preserved with chemical. The same thing with processed food. So avoid intake of canned food to live a healthy life, because of the chemicals might affect your sperm cell. And besides, anything chemical like processed food and canned food has a lot of chemicals, and it can also lead to cancer. It can lead to the cancer in your stomach. It can lead to cancer, which you know that it is very hard to treat cancer naturally. So avoid canned food to avoid disrupting your immune system and to avoid disorganizing your sperm cell, to avoid killing your sperm. So these are the 5 sperm killers you need to avoid if you want to be the best man in life. You want to be fertile. You don't want to be seen as impotent. Avoid these 5. So that is it in today's video, and that is what I want to share with you people in today's video. If you get value from watching this video, subscribe to be a member of this channel. Turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I upload video concerning men and natural ways to keep men. If you have questions, put it down in the comment section below. I will reply your comments and questions as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.